Okay, so this one is pretty much getting to be my favorite so far. It's made out of firewood. I was walking to the wood burner and I grabbed a couple of pieces of wood and I stopped and I thought, geez, could I make a like a bed or a bunk bed or whatever out of this kind of stuff? Well, that's what it turned out to be. So this is actually, this is the same type of thing. This is, I forget what prototype number is it, 5 or something like that, maybe 6. I think this is number 6. And so it did the same thing. The joinery is the same on it, but I wanted to show you this first. But then I was at Home Depot the other day, and there's this stuff, right? It's packaged. It's like these little slate stones and stuff. And just look at that. To me, that would be so cool to make a bed that's that. And this actually happens to be a perfect fit. And then that could also then have the 2-part epoxy pour over the top of it, you know, so it's easier to clean and stuff like that, but whatever. And then the other thing I did on this one, I'll try to bring it close, but if you look in that corner right there, I actually was able to show the joinery. And so there I did, when I was doing the 2-part pour, I used a Forstner bit, dug it out, poured it in there, but it shows how the GRKs come in, hold the piece, but then also how the bolt comes in. This is more for like display if I'm doing a class or something like that, or a demonstration, then I have that ability to do that. But, so then this would end up being, again, the same joinery. And these things are built like brick outhouses. They're not gonna fall apart. They're really, really strong. So then again, the joinery is the same. So all the same as all of them, right? An Allen wrench like this, okay? A bolt, 5/16. Takes, when I make furniture for my daughter, I give her these pieces. And then like when she was living in Austin, she even took some of that furniture home with her in her luggage, not the big ones, but I just give her an Allen wrench and she knows exactly what to do with it. This one is a little further in. It's going to take a few seconds to get it out. Probably easier that way, huh? Okay. So then it comes apart. Ouch, that hurt. So then again, this was the firewood pieces. That's a piece there, piece there, piece there, piece there. In the Instructable, I show how I cut the firewood, resawed it, shaped it, did all the things that needed to be to basically tame it down and become this. Now, don't look at that back part because that's part of prototyping. What did I do wrong? Well, okay, I could have put a clamp here or stuff like that, and then or I could have put some caulk in the back there to stop the ooze from the 2-part epoxy. Or I could have actually, if this was going to be a bed, then I would have done is I would have poured on the back here first and got it a little smoother because that's where the mattress and everything else is going to go. And then I would pour the front, that type of thing, right? Okay, but that's all part of prototyping. So that's the prototype made out of firewood. GoPro stopped recording.